Hello, my name is Sasha Nikolinovic, and I'm coming from Bosnia and Herzegovina. I live in the capital of my country, Sarajevo, where I work as a pastor of a local evangelical church. For almost 30 years, I'm in a full-time ministry, and I'm doing a pastoring ministry since 2001. I'm also leading denominational summer camps, and also I'm involved in many other initiatives in our region and as a part of wider evangelical community. The exhibition that you are about to see is selection of the mixed media works that I made from 2019 to the present time. And my artistic practice is a combination of the printmaking, painting, and the collage. I especially like collage part, and most of these pieces are done in this technique. It is the most neglected, in my opinion, technique in the art making, and for that reason, it's very dear to my heart. In a certain way, it represents something of my life, I guess, because in the past, as a young man, I went through the war in Bosnia, and thinking later on about my artistic praxis, I realized that it resembled a little bit what I lived through as a person who grew up in a former Yugoslavia, in a country that was in many ways very solid and provided some safe and security for the person like myself. But then at the end of 80s and beginning of 90s, we went through the war as a part of disintegration of Yugoslavia. And then all of us who lived through that period needed to somehow put together the fragments of our lives and start afresh. So collage as a technique is putting pieces together from the previous use in the magazines and the newspapers and cutting them out and finding them a new purpose for the future. So in a certain way, it is the way to find a new meaning, to build up a new reality from the fragments of the past and the pieces of the memory that exists somewhere in all of us. I hope that you will enjoy and that you will like work. I'm feeling especially thankful for all of those friends and all of you who supported this exhibition and giving me opportunity to show my works in Lithuania.